Let's cut to the chase. Right now, the market's a little choppy. We can get mad at it, but that emotion really won't help us make better decisions, won't help our situation. We can get frustrated. So what do we do here? It's really simple. We monitor the price and volume action of the stocks, and we pull back a little bit. One of the things I used to say at the IBD meetup for 12 years was this: just because the market's open for business doesn't mean we have to do business. Don't think that, oh man, there's all kinds of stuff going on. Wait. We know what works. Focus on clean and simple patterns. When they're breaking out in good volume. Buy those. And we have the discipline, and I want you to also, to wait for it. Just sit tight. As I said before, just because the market's open for business doesn't mean we have to do business. We can wait for those setups. There's no cost in waiting. And people say, well, I might miss something. Man, I'm going to miss something. If we know what to look for, wait for it, we can make more money faster. I'm going to give you a fact here, okay? And again, my background is in math and statistics also. We can make more money faster with less hassle and less stress in a clean and simple uptrending market than we can fighting this all the time. So we just sit tight, we wait, we study, we're prepared. We're prepared financially, but more importantly, we're prepared mentally, psychologically. We just rest. One of my favorite quotes, and I forget who said it, but it's the honest to goodness truth. Only the still pool reflects the stars. Only the still pool reflects the stars. And there's also another point I have to bring up here that I think is important. People say, well, this isn't working, so I'm going to start doing a bunch of other things. Don't be a jack of all trades. Be a master of one or two setups and stick with them, assuming they're viable setups. And we teach viable setups. I had to do it right because I was supporting a family of 6 off investing profits. I didn't have a choice. I had to get this down. And some of you might be in that same situation. Did I ever have this idea, well, you know, breakouts aren't working, there's nothing really happening. I'm going to start day trading. I'm going to start looking at 5-minute, 1-minute tick charts. That's what I'm going to start doing. I encourage you, be careful with that. I only know one successful day trader, and he's a good friend of mine. That's it. And I know a lot of investors. So just wait. Preserve capital. Preserve financial capital. Preserve mental capital. Preserve emotional capital. Don't try to make something out of nothing. I'm asking you. And team, folks, fellow people out there on Twitter, social media, I'm speaking from my heart. Everything I'm saying, I wish someone would have said to me before. Said, Pat, just take it easy. It's all right. You'll make more money with less hassle, and you'll make it much faster when things get good. And will they get good? Oh yeah, they'll get good again. I'll show you something here. It's like, oh man, it's the end of the world and there's nothing good going on. Well, you know, look at this, it's awful, you know. Was that a high or low setup? This low higher than this low. And it's a lift. And it's good for like, what are we talking about here? 400 points? 400 points. Just simple setups. But more importantly, if you're going, I don't want to do that. I just want to do clean and simple base breakouts. Good for you. Wait for them to happen. They will happen again. Clean and simple base breakouts have not been outlawed. Okay? They'll come again. But in the meantime, you will have preserved financial capital and mental capital so you don't have a lot of baggage dogging you, so that when it does come, you're ready to hit it. You've got a clear head. I can't stress that enough. It's very, very important. And I'm going to say it again. I'm asking you, turn off all the noise that's out there. Everybody, oh, you got to do this, you got to do this. I'm asking you, turn off the noise and wait. And that's not a criticism of other people or anything like this. It's just that the internet's a great tool, but we can become inundated looking at too much information. And I've been guilty of it too years ago. I finally turned it off. And I'll tell you the truth, I don't even have cable TV in my office. All right? Got TV, but it's no big deal. Simplicity is a good thing. And money is made in clean and simple. And there's a reason why. Let's be very pragmatic here. If it's a clean and simple base pattern, does that not increase the potential that other people see it? True? And isn't that what we want? We want other people to see what we see. By so doing, does that not increase the potential that they will buy also? Yeah. And isn't that what we want? Yes. Yes. So we wait for it. We just wait. We know what to look for. You can say, then Pat, what do I do right now? You preserve capital, mental capital and financial capital. We'll wait, and it'll line up, and you'll be ready to hit it with no baggage. Please don't, I'm asking you, please don't search for the next holy grail, the next hottest thing. It can become financially and mentally debilitating to us. That's a fact. That's a fact. Anyway, let's see if I've got any other thing I wanted to say here. Yeah, no, that sums this up. I'll say it again. Yeah, is the market sloppy right here? Yeah, it is. So what are we doing? We backed off an activity. It's that simple. We're waiting. We know what to look for, and we'll wait for it. And you're going, I don't know what to look for. Share this with you. Focus on clean and simple base breakouts. And I'm going to do something real quick. Hold on a second. We're going to pause this. All right, here we go. I opened up a file. I'm going to show you some, maybe 20 or so, past winners, past key list winners. And the issue is not, oh, Pat Walker's bragging. No, not one bit. That's lame. That's immature. That's insecure. I don't want to do that. No, I'm just trying to show you what to look for. So let's slide some in here so you can see this. Clean and simple base breakout right there. Volume surge. By the way, this was back, you see the date here? This was back in 2016. There you go. That's it. It's vanilla. We'll do another one. I'm just grabbing these random. Clean and simple base breakouts. This was a leading stock in a leading group. First buy right there. We'll call it 16 bucks. 16 to 60. Okay. Last time I checked, that's a quadruple. There you go. Vanilla. Nothing fancy. I'll just keep grabbing some for you. That's Neo again. Bear with me. Higher low setup. Right here. This low is higher than this low. New issue setup. Vanilla was a leading stock in a leading group, and it worked. Let's do another one. Octa. Clean and simple flat base breakout. Right here. This is back, way back here. Years ago. Patterns repeat. Why? Because patterns are a reflection of human emotions. And folks, I will just tell you this. Human emotions, fear, greed, panic, complacency, they don't change. Clean and simple base breakout. Cyber, right here. I'm just grabbing these random, all right? It's kind of like, Christmas. I don't know what's coming next. What gift? There you go. PDD, Pinduoduo. Breakout right there. Note the clean and simple base. That's it. Over and over, you will find there's CyberArk right there. Clean and simple base. You will find that those are the best setups for making money. Advanced micro devices. This was last year. I was in Colorado when this one took off. This was nice. This was good for the vacation. Right here. Clean and simple base breakout. Look at the numbers. Over and over. So anyway, I just wanted to lay out what to look for. I'll say it again. Focus on clean and simple bases that a 5th and 6th grader could see. Why? Because it increases the potential they'll buy also. And I'm being cute when I say 5th and 6th graders. Focus on patterns that everybody can see. And folks, if they're not there, they're not there. Just wait. Do your homework. Study past winners. Hone your skills. All right? Hone your investing skills. Hone your chart reading skills. And you'll be that much more prepared when things get good. You'll know what to do, and you will hit it hard. And when those times happen, you will make more money with less hassle with patterns that I just showed you. You'll print the money with no problems. Isn't that what you want? Wait for it. Wait for it, because it will happen again.